Meet Chintu and his robot buddy Robo. A curious 8-year-old boy named Chintu sits on the floor with his shiny new robo friend named Robo. Chintu holds up his first picture, a fluffy golden retriever wagging its tail. Robo, this is a dog, he says excitedly. Chintu grabs another picture, a shaggy little puppy chasing a ball. This is also a dog. Robo's lights blink curiously. But he stays quiet, watching and listening. Then another big brown Labrador splashing in a puddle. Dog, Chintu repeats. And again a tiny, small dog peeking from a backpack. Dog. Over and over, Chintu shows dozens of pictures. Big dogs, small dogs, furry ones, spotted ones, all shapes and sizes. Suddenly, Robo's eyes light up like a fireworks. He points a metal finger at a brand new picture. A sleek German Shepherd he's never seen before and shouts in a robotic voice, "Hey, that's a dog." Chintu jumps up, cheering. The Robo figured it out all by himself. This is exactly what AI does. Artificial intelligence is simply a smart brain inside machines that can do incredible things, just like Robo. Learn from examples, just like reading a book over and over until the words sink in. Show it 1,000 dog pictures and it reads every detail, floppy ears, wagging tails, wet noses, to spot what makes a dog a dog. Recognize things, patterns and faces like a super detective spotting clues in a crowd. Decide what to do or say next. Thinking step by step. This looks right, so I will say dog. AI doesn't guess, it learns from what you teach it, getting smarter with every example. AI is hiding in a plain sight. AI isn't some far-off robot from a movie, it's already your secret sidekick, whispering smarts into your everyday apps. YouTube and Reels. You watch one hilarious cat video jumping on a cucumber, boom, your feed explodes with more cats, dancing cats, singing cats, ninja cats. AI whispers, I know what you like and I will find you more. It's like having a friend who remembers every laugh you shared. Google search, you type a half-finished question, how to make, Google doesn't wait. It finishes for you, pizza at home, and gives the perfect recipe with the videos. It understands your intentions, not just your words, like reading your mind through messy typing. AI works for you every single day. Face unlock. Your phone scans your sleepy morning face in less than 1 second and unlocks instantly. No pin needed. AI knows it you even with bent head. Google Maps, stuck in a traffic, it spots jams miles away, reroutes you through quiet streets and says, arrive 10 minutes faster. It's like a GPS brain that predicts the future. Shopping apps. You buy blue sneakers, suddenly you may also like this matching backpack or these socks. AI remembers your style and guesses your next wish. AI is recognizing you, thinking for you, predicting what you want, all without you lifting a finger. A super simple formula. AI boils down to 3 magic steps, just like how kids learn ABC. ABCs. Data, tons of examples like photos, videos, text like Chintu's dog pictures. Learning, finding hidden patterns and connections. Spotting 4 legs plus tail is equal to dog. Decision, giving answers or taking action. Unlocking your phone or suggesting videos. It's exactly how you learn to ride a bike. Falling, trying again until I got it. Think of AI as your super smart friend. Watches everything you show it, never forgetting a single lesson. Learn slowly from examples, practicing quietly behind the scenes. Remembers patterns forever, pulling them out when you need help. Helps you anytime you need, 24/7 with 0 complaints. Your pocket-sized genius, always ready for your adventure. Why this is your new superpower? Unlock AI and watch your life level up. It saves time, skips the busy work like auto sorting your messy photo album. Makes life easy, simplifies complex tasks, turning I'm lost into follow this path. Decides faster, process a million options instantly, no brain freeze. Works 24/7. Never needs a coffee break, nap or vacation. But remember, AI is not magic. It's just a smart brain built by humans and trained with lots of data, billions of pictures, words and videos fed in like Chintu's dog lessons. No spells, just superpowered practice. Imagine what you can do. If a kid like Chintu can understand AI, you can use it to learn anything, grow faster and create cool stuff like drawing with AI or art tools or chatting with virtual tutors. The future is yours to command. If you like this video, please subscribe, share. Thank you.